Welcome to this Fix It Tech News channel, and one of the things that has started this week, and it's a very unusual week, is the Consumer Electronics Show for 2021, usually held in Las Vegas, Nevada, and a lot of people attend and go and see the different companies showing new products, devices. January 11th to 14th, 2021 is the new edition, and it is all virtual because nobody wants to, of course, due to COVID, meet up in person for now, as things are kind of complicated. So you can go to the CES webpage, ces.tech, and there's a lot of the keynotes and a lot of the things that you can actually watch if you just sign up for the events. Companies that will show some stuff. For example, there was a sneak peek at the Samsung Galaxy S21, and there's all sorts of little things that are announced. So it's happening this week, and of course, we'll keep an eye on the different announcements that companies will have in this very unusual virtual version of the Consumer Electronics Show. And it will be interesting, of course, to check out the different information we get here. This has been transformed a lot over the years. There used to be big companies there that would show off their stuff, but in recent years, more like a place for the new, smaller technology companies to actually try to show up and show us some of the new tech that they have to offer us. So it's happening this week. Started today, of course, January 11th. And you can go to the digital.ces.tech webpage, and you'll be able to actually view some of the virtual keynotes and make your own mind about some of the new technologies that are offered in a virtual way. So it's a cool thing when you think about it. Also, at the same time, for all of you that never been to CES and always wanted to see a little bit how it happens, well, now with the virtual way of viewing, you can actually have a glimpse of what's happening at CES. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.